Hello kids, welcome back to our learning channel. Today we are going to learn something very useful and exciting, conjunctions. Conjunctions are little magic words that help us join ideas and sentences together. So, are you ready? Let's begin our fun journey. Let's start with some sentences. It was very cold, so I wore my sock. I played video games because I was bored. Chris likes to play hockey and football. The football match took place although it was raining. Saurabh was sick but he still came to school. Did you notice the words so, because, and, although, but? These words are called conjunctions. They join two parts of a sentence together and make the meaning complete. So, what exactly is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins words, parts of sentences, or even two different sentences. Without conjunctions, our language would sound repetitive and awkward. Examples: Charan and Piyush went shopping. Saurabh is hardworking but not intelligent. I'll either have cupcakes or cheesecakes. Here, the conjunction is helping us connect two ideas in a smooth way. Now, let's see how conjunctions can join different things. They can join two words. We have a pet dog and a cat. They can join two parts of a sentence. My father loves me and takes care of me. They can join two different sentences. My brother got into the train, but there was no seat for him. So, conjunctions are really powerful. Conjunctions also join nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. For example, I got two gifts on Diwali, a karta and a diya. I felt so happy that I smiled and jumped. The diya was transparent and round. I poured some oil into it quickly but steadily. That's how conjunctions bring different words together and make our sentences flow. Conjunctions are used in different ways. To give a reason, because; to show a contrast, but; to show addition, and; to show a choice, either or; to show opposite ideas, yet although. Examples: I decided to talk to my tuition teacher because I wasn't doing well in exams. He is lazy but smart. Himani chopped the green beans and Charan cooked them. Either take these cupcakes or have them. He is very rich yet unhappy. Well done. Dice, let's solve. Now it's your turn. Try these exercises. A. Write 5 sentences using different conjunctions. I wanted to play outside, but it started raining. She studied hard, so she passed the exam. You can have tea or coffee with your snacks. I will wait here until you come back. He is tired because he worked all day. B. Fill in the blanks with conjunctions like but, when, and, yet, either or, although, so, if, because, while. She baked while I served the muffins. Charan and Shivam came looking for me. The deer tried to free itself from the trap, but it didn't succeed. Although it was cold, he did not switch on the heater. I don't know about these teachers because I haven't met any of them. If you work smart, you will win. When I called him, he was busy. She was tired, yet she finished her homework. You can have either tea or coffee with your snack. It started raining, so we stayed indoors. C. Join the following sentences using appropriate conjunctions. Will you have toast? Will you have oats? Will you have toast or oats? She is tired, she can work. She is tired, yet she can work. I'll come next month, I'll call you to confirm my tickets. I'll come next month and I'll call you to confirm my tickets. He is not very smart, he works hard. He is not very smart, but he works hard. Let's quickly revise. Today we learned Conjunctions join words, parts of sentences, or different sentences. They help us show reasons, contrasts, additions, choices, and opposite ideas. We practiced examples, filled in the blanks, and even did a passage writing activity. Great job, kids! Today, you learned a lot about conjunctions in a fun way. We had a lot of fun today. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time with a brand new lesson. Bye, kids. Thanks for watching.